Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, ornamental grasses in my garden, Imperata Cylindrical Red Baron. Do you like the bright colors of ornamental grasses? Imperata is a highly ornamental grass, which is highly valued for the bright, variegated color of its leaves. Imperata Cylindrica Red Baron is one of the most popular and well-known cultivars of this ornamental plant, which has a spectacular appearance due to the red cherry tips of the leaves. The hard, lanceolate leaves are green at the base and dark cherry at the ends, turning bright red during the summer season. The bush of this decorative cereal grass is dense, vertical, does not fall apart. Imperata rarely blooms with delicate, fluffy, silvery panicle inflorescences. The height of an adult bush is up to 25 inches or about 60 centimeters. Imperata looks great in the garden as a single plant. The bush is often used to create contrasting accents in combination with other herbs. Planting, care, and recommendations for growing. Imperata prefers the sun, loose, well-drained soil. The plant does not tolerate stagnant moisture. In dry weather, watering is necessary. This is a cold-hardy plant. The easiest way to propagate is to divide the bush once every 3 to 4 years. When pure green leaves appear, they must be cut off, and the plant transplanted to a sunny flower bed. I hope this video is helpful and educational. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. See you later.